Ever struggled with bulky air fryers that eat up your counter space? Today, we're diving into the top 8 French door air fryers that make cooking effortless, crispy, and fun. Stick around, you'll discover which model suits you best, and you can grab any of these amazing finds through the links below. On number 8 is Gourmia Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Ever struggled with tiny air fryers that can't handle a full family meal? The Gourmia Toaster Oven Air Fryer changes the game with its spacious French door design, dual doors, 25-quart capacity, and enough room for a whole chicken or 12-inch pizza. Unlike other models on our top 8 list, this one combines full-sized oven convenience with smart, real-world efficiency. Its Fry-Force convection technology circulates heat perfectly for crispy, oil-free results, while 17 preset cooking modes make air frying, roasting, baking, and even dehydrating effortless. Digital controls offer precise temperature and time adjustments, and cleanup is easy with the included fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray. Sure, it's slightly larger than some compact options, but the peace of mind, family-sized capacity, and consistent results make it a smart, reliable choice for anyone serious about cooking. Tested for real-world comfort, and we only recommend what truly delivers. If you often cook for more than 2 people, this one's a definite buy. At number 7 is Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer. Did you know your countertop could replace multiple appliances? The Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer proves it. With its extra-large 26-quart capacity and elegant French doors, this air fryer isn't just about cooking, it's about transforming your kitchen into a hub of effortless, family-friendly meals. Unlike some smaller models on our top 8 list, it handles everything from a 12-inch pizza to a 6-pound rotisserie chicken with ease. The dual-speed fan circulates superheated air perfectly, giving golden, crispy results every time, while the automated toast timer prevents burnt mornings, small details that make a huge difference. Its stainless steel finish adds style, and the interior light keeps cooking stress-free. Sure, it takes up more counter space than compact units, but the convenience, precision, and reliability make it a smart investment for busy families. Tested for real-world comfort, this one's worth it for anyone who values consistency and style in one package. On number 6 is OSTBA French Door Air Fryer. Ever wondered if one countertop appliance could replace your oven, fryer, and toaster all at once? The OSTBA French Door Air Fryer aims to do exactly that. With its 24-quart extra-large capacity, it easily handles a 12-inch pizza or 4-pound chicken, making it perfect for families, something not every model on our top 8 list can claim. Its 360-degree air circulation with infrared heating cooks up to 30% faster than traditional ovens, delivering golden, crispy results with minimal oil, your health-friendly, guilt-free alternative to deep frying. The French door design with interior lighting, plus intuitive digital and analog controls, makes cooking simple and stress-free. Sure, some compact air fryers save counter space, but OSTBA balances size, performance, and versatility. Tested for real-world convenience, this one is ideal for those who want consistent results, easy cleanup, and smart, time-saving cooking in one elegant package. At number 5 is Romswi French Door Air Fryer. Ever wished your kitchen could handle both quick snacks and full family feasts without juggling multiple appliances? The Romswi French Door Air Fryer delivers just that. With its extra-large 26-quart capacity, you can roast a 6-pound chicken, bake a 12-inch pizza, or toast 6 slices at once, something many other models on our top 8 list struggle to manage efficiently. Its smart dual-door design swings open effortlessly, and the bright interior light lets you monitor every sizzling detail. One-touch, 360-degree controls and dedicated presets for steak, veggies, pizza, and more ensure perfect results every time, while the preheat function and auto shut-off toast system prevent overcooking. Accessories like the rotisserie kit, air fry basket, and roast pan make cleanup simple and stress-free. Tested for real-world convenience, this versatile cooker is ideal for families craving healthy, consistent, and hassle-free meals. If you want speed, precision, and style in one appliance, this is a smart buy. At number 4 is Elite Gourmet Air Fryer. Imagine enjoying crispy, golden meals without a drop of oil. Sounds too good to be true? The Elite Gourmet Air Fryer makes it real. With its X-large 23-liter capacity and dual French doors, it's perfect for family-sized meals while saving counter space, something many top 8 models can't match. Its high-power convection fan delivers even, fast cooking for air frying, baking, roasting, grilling, or dehydrating, all with 85% less oil. The programmable timer and temperature controls put precision at your fingertips, while the included recipe booklet inspires healthy, guilt-free dishes. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe, non-stick accessories. Compared to other French door air fryers, this one strikes a balance of affordability, performance, and style. Tested for real-world comfort, it's ideal for anyone who wants delicious, healthy meals with peace of mind. A smart, reliable choice for busy kitchens. On number 3 is Cuisinart Toaster Air Fryer. Did you know one countertop appliance could replace your oven, fryer, and grill all at once? The Cuisinart Toaster Air Fryer does exactly that. With a spacious interior, it handles a 12-inch pizza, 4-pound chicken, or 3 pounds of wings effortlessly, something not every model on our top 8 list can achieve. The Air Advantage technology circulates hot air efficiently, delivering fast, crispy, flavor-packed meals every time. Versatile settings, from air fry, bake, broil, grill, to warming, put complete control in your hands, while the adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer ensure precision. Cleanup is stress-free with the included non-stick trays, oven rack, and reversible grill/griddle. Compared to other French door air fryers, this one blends performance, reliability, and ease of use at a reasonable price. Tested for real-world comfort, it's ideal for families who want delicious, guilt-free meals with peace of mind, definitely a smart, safe investment for busy kitchens. At number 2 is Midea Flexify French Door Air Fryer. Ever thought you could cook faster, healthier, and smarter, all in one sleek appliance? The Midea Flexify French Door Air Fryer makes it possible. With a 26.4 quart capacity, it easily fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or 14 juicy wings, something not every top 8 model delivers. Its Cyclone Air technology cooks 25% faster using 90% less oil, giving golden, crispy results while keeping meals guilt-free. Versatile 10-function settings, from air fry, bake, and roast to slow cook and dehydrate, make it perfect for busy families craving flexibility. The precise temperature and timer control, paired with elegant anti-scald French doors and a large LED display, gives confidence and peace of mind in every meal. Compared to other French door air fryers, this one balances speed, style, and versatility effortlessly. Tested for real-world comfort, it's a smart, safe choice for anyone serious about efficient, healthy cooking. Now moving to the last one is Black+Decker Countertop Air Fryer. Ever thought you could get that deep-fried crunch without the guilt or hassle? The Black+Decker Countertop Air Fryer makes it possible. With premium French doors, stainless steel accents, and a spacious interior, it fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast effortlessly, something not every model on our top 8 list can claim. Its convection technology circulates hot air for perfectly crispy results, while 12 versatile cooking functions, from air fry and bake to broil, roast, and reheat, let you master any meal. The intuitive dial with indicator lights keeps cooking precise, and the clear glass door makes monitoring effortless. Compared to other French door air fryers, this one balances speed, convenience, and style beautifully. Tested for real-world comfort, it's ideal for families craving efficiency, flavor, and peace of mind, definitely a smart, safe addition to any kitchen. After reviewing all the options, the Romswi French door air fryer stands out as the winner. Its extra-large 26-quart capacity, versatile one-touch 360-degree controls, and smart dual-door design make cooking for a family effortless. From crispy wings to a full 12-inch pizza, it delivers consistent, healthy results every time. With premium accessories and intuitive features, it solves the common problem of juggling multiple appliances. Stylish, reliable, and tested for real-world comfort, it's a smart, safe, and convenient investment for any busy kitchen. So guys, this was the video about the best cases 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.